Having trouble with your Dodge key fob after changing the battery? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially with models like the Ram, Charger, and Challenger from the 2010s onward. The problem usually stems from needing to resync the fob with your vehicle, corrosion on the battery contacts, or a blown fuse. We'll cover all these fixes step by step to get you back on the road quickly. First, we will need to determine the model of your car. Older models pre-2015 typically require more manual intervention. If none of the following steps work, a dealer scan tool costing $50 to $100 may be needed. Let's start with resyncing. For non-push button start vehicles, cycle the ignition key. If it's a push button start, try rapidly pressing the lock-unlock buttons on the fob in sequence. This process realigns the fob's code with your vehicle's immobilizer and is successful in 65% of cases. Next, check the battery contacts. Corrosion can interrupt the power flow. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean them thoroughly. A notable example is a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 owner who restored function by cleaning corroded contacts with vinegar. Finally, inspect the key fob fuse, usually labeled RKE or remote keyless entry, in the underhood fuse box. A blown fuse cuts power to the receiver. A 2022 Charger Hellcat user on Dodge Talk found a blown 15.8 fuse in the BCM was the culprit. Replace it with a matching amp rating, typically 10 to 15x, after disconnecting the vehicle's battery to prevent shorts. If the issue continues, consider that new Dodge vehicles support smartphone-based keys via apps like Mopar Connect, reducing physical fob dependency.